All right, let's quick polish. Some aluminum. All right, first things first, we gotta degrease it. We go to the super clean, spray it on liberally, and wipe that piece down, get all the grit and grime off of it. Then go to your Pryme Pad, P-R-Y-M-E. These things are a lifesaver for cutting through paint and clear coat on parts, all right? Look at that, that's amazing. That would have taken forever. Then go to your medium buffing pad and some medium or heavy compound to go and get a bunch of the heavy scratches out of that part. It'll go fast. Eventually, you'll be able to switch over to your fine or very soft buffing pad, and you're gonna transition over into a lighter compound, all right? Make sure you keep your buffing wheels nice and clean, and then apply your compound to go for a finishing touch on this part. Nice and slow, light pressure, and really, really quickly, you're gonna start seeing all the little scratches going away, and the part is going to look amazing. Be patient during this part, and you can go as far as you want. Finish it off with a little bit of Wizard's metal polish. This will help protect that part and keep it nice and shiny for the long run. Just go ahead and rub that stuff in and let it get dark and black. Let it cut into that metal just a little bit. Let it sit for a bit and then wipe it off nice and clean with a fresh microfiber cloth. And there you go. You've got yourself a polished piece of vintage aluminum. I say, that's pretty damn good.